Can you build your own NFA items? Have you ever wondered if you can build your own items regulated by the National Firearms Act? This is a topic that sparks a lot of interest among firearm enthusiasts and advocates for Second Amendment rights. The National Firearms Act regulates specific firearms and accessories, including machine guns, silencers, short-barreled rifles, short-barreled shotguns, and destructive devices. These items come with strict rules that must be followed for ownership and transfer. So, can you actually build your own NFA items? The answer is yes, but with a lot of important steps. For instance, if you want to build a short-barreled rifle or a short-barreled shotgun, you need to start by getting approval from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives. This involves submitting a Form 1 application and paying a tax stamp fee, which is currently $200. This process includes background checks to ensure compliance with the National Firearms Act. Now, let's talk about machine guns. Building a machine gun is a different story. The laws surrounding fully automatic firearms are very strict. Only licensed manufacturers can produce machine guns for civilian use, making it nearly impossible for individuals to build one legally. What about silencers? You can build a silencer, but again, you must submit a Form 1 application and get approval from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives before you start construction. When it comes to short-barreled rifles and shotguns, the same rules apply. You can build these items, but you must have prior approval from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives to do so. From a conservative viewpoint, many believe that these regulations may infringe on Second Amendment rights. Some argue that these laws limit the ability of law-abiding citizens to exercise their right to bear arms for self-defense. However, supporters of the regulations argue that they are necessary for public safety and to prevent misuse of firearms. Understanding the National Firearms Act regulations is essential for anyone interested in building or owning NFA items. It highlights the importance of following the law while also advocating for less restrictive policies that still ensure public safety. So, while you can build certain NFA items, it requires careful attention to legal procedures and regulations. Always make sure to stay informed and compliant to enjoy your rights responsibly.